Looking for a great skateboard under $100? There are some great choices out there. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced skater, one of these boards will have you skating like a pro in no time. And, you will get these without breaking your bank. Let's jump R.
Number 1. The first one is Skateboard Complete, Maplewood, professional grade. The deck is made of 7-ply Canadian maplewood for a stiff and sturdy ride. The CCS trucks are professional quality and have a sturdy steel base plate for smooth ride. The grip tape is premium black CCS grip tape. The skateboard comes fully assembled, ready to ride right directly out of the box. These boards come with 52mm 100A white CCS wheels. And, they are perfect for cruising and tricks. Number 2. Up next is KPC Complete Skateboard. Pro Style Quality. KPC Complete skateboards are strong, durable, and reliable boards. This complete skateboard comes with heavy-duty aluminum alloy trucks. The board comes 52mm 99A high-rebound urethane wheels with precision speed ABEC7 bearings that will keep you ride stable. The grip tape has an 80 grit level. No assembly required. And, perfect for all levels of skaters who do commuting, street skating, skate parks, bowls and ramps. Number 3. White Fang Skateboards for Beginners. It has 7 layers Canadian maple deck. It takes maximum load weight up to 330 pounds. The unit comes with 5-inch magnesium alloy trucks. It has super smooth, 52mm, 95A, high rebound POO wheels. With ABEC9 precision bearings and 95A high rebound POO bushing. Minimalist black and white graphic design. It is designed for beginners and skilled. And suitable for commuting, skate parks, ramps, pools and other smooth surfaces or even rough ground. Number 4. Belay of Skateboards for Beginners, 31-inch complete skateboard for kids, teens, adults. This skateboard comes fully assembled. 31-inch length and 8.0-inch wide. Weighs only 4.7 pounds. It's 10mm thick and composed of 7-layer Canadian maplewood. Strong and durable to withstand riders up to 220 pounds. It comes with 5-inch heavy-duty aluminum alloy trucks. The Cruiser skateboard features anti-slippery 55mm 95A high-rebound POO wheels, high-speed ABEC7 precision bearings. Creative and colorful graphics design. It's safe for beginners and expert riders. Suitable for all level riders with different riding styles, cruising, commuting, tricks and freestyling. Number 5. Retrospec Z Longboard Skateboard Complete Cruiser. It is 44-inch artisan longboard made from 8-ply Canadian maple. The unit has durable 70 by 51mm 85A POO wheels with rock finish. Precision ball bearings in the ABEC7 tolerance grade. It comes fully assembled and ready to ride. It's perfect for commuting, cruising, carving and downhill riding. Number 6. Swagtron Ing 3 Swag Skate Electric Skateboard. Intelligently placed sensors detect weight and motion. It has 72mm, 2, 8-in, polyurethane wheels along with the 8.9-inch wide polypropylene deck. World-class support from the experts. It is an ideal option for kids and teens. Number 7. RIMABLE Complete 22 inches Skateboard. It is fully assembled. 22 inches long by 6 inches wide deck. High quality 3 inches thick aluminium trucks. 59mm 78A super smooth POO wheel with high speed stainless steel bearing. Max load weight 198 lb. High quality of black screws. Both adults and children can use it.